What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And if you were waiting for the Oneplus 10T, so here's a disappointment for you. Now we all know that the Oneplus 10T is indeed launching on 3rd of August and it's the latest smartphone from the Oneplus with the latest processor of Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. But what is disappointing with this smartphone are a couple of things. First of all, the Hasselblad branding is almost ending from the Oneplus and the Hasselblad, as the 10T will not be featuring any kind of branding from the Hasselblad, and it wasn't that much effective as the OnePlus thought so. Apart from that, the phone also will be losing the promising feature from the OnePlus smartphones which has ever been since the beginning of the OnePlus smartphones, and it's the alert slider. Yes, you heard it right. This time around, the flagship smartphone, also the OnePlus 10T, the alert slider is going, as OnePlus is saying that it is saving some space for some other features which we don't know whether it might be for the macro camera or something like that. But the main point is that the alert slider is gone from the OnePlus and it really feels incomplete for the OnePlus, and it seems like the OnePlus is finally coming for the Oppofication of their smartphones. Well, the design of the smartphone is indeed a bit similar with the OnePlus 10 Pro, and the phone will be available in two colors option, which will be the jade green and the moonstone black. We know that the processor will be the better processor when compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is the 8 Plus Gen 1 which we saw on the OnePlus 10 Pro, and the primary camera will be a 50 megapixel of Sony IMX766 with OIS and EIS support with a up to 10-bit color support. And the phone is launching on August 3rd. Alongside the phone, expected price is to be in India is to be at around 50 to 55,000 rupees, which is again crazy insane when considering that OnePlus is losing features and its identification features instead of adding some more features towards the smartphone. Now, what do you think about the OnePlus 10T in real life? Are you two waiting for the OnePlus 10T to be launching on August 3rd, or will you be buying other smartphones or switching to the other smartphones such as the Pixel lineup or even the Samsung S22 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.